Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Coinbase account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to create a new account or open a new account for Coinbase, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the Coinbase application on your mobile device. You can also do this on a web browser by going to www.coinbase.com. I'm going to show you how to do this on our mobile phone today. So let's first download Coinbase app if you've not yet. Simply go to your App Store or your Play Store and in the search box, search for Coinbase. Download the application that says Coinbase Buy Bitcoin and Ether. Once you've downloaded the app, tap on the Coinbase app to launch it open. The first interface of Coinbase will look like this. If you don't have an account yet, you can simply tap on the sign up button in blue at the bottom left hand corner. Create your account by entering your details. Type in your first name in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your last name. Enter an email address that you'd like to associate with Coinbase in the email address text box. Once you type in a valid email address, go to the next field where it says password and create a new password for your Coinbase account. Now, once you create a strong password for yourself, tap on the little box at the bottom that says, I certify that I am 18 years of age or older and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Once you check on that box, you should see a create account button popping up at the bottom. Give it a tap. And now, if you want to turn on notifications for the application, tap on turn on notifications so that you'll be notified as soon as your balance changes or there is a security alert with your Coinbase account. Tap on turn on notifications to enable notifications or skip the step by tapping on skip for now at the bottom. You'll need to verify your email that you just typed in with Coinbase. Tap on check my inbox and open up your email by selecting one of the options from the pop-up. Since I'm trying to associate my Gmail, let's tap on Gmail. You'll receive an inbox from Coinbase on your email. Simply tap open the email and tap on verify email address. Open up with a web browser and tap on open. And once your email address has been verified, on the next page, you'll need to verify your identity. Tap the start button and on the next page, you'll need to provide your mobile number. Make sure that you have a valid mobile number available to you and tap continue. Choose your country from the drop down on the left hand side and type in your mobile number you'd like to associate with Coinbase. Soon after you do that, tap the continue button at the bottom and you'll receive a 7-digit code sent to your mobile number via SMS. Simply type in the code and tap the continue button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to verify your identity. Now tap on the done button at the bottom and start trading your crypto. That is how you can easily open a new account for Coinbase. Now you can finish setting up your account by tapping on this button over here, add a payment method so that you can buy your first crypto from Coinbase. That is how you can easily open a new account and start trading with Coinbase, quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.